Ano? Sino magka-answer? Big boy.
Divide,
Okay.
sir.
Ha?
Divide.
It's either you divide
C1.
second equation by 2 or you multiply first equation by 2. Why? Because when you eliminate variables or any other letter, you see to it that the equation of the coefficient of that set
Tama.
variable or a non-variables or C1 will be equal in coefficient. Diba?
Divide
Anong
by
gusto mo? What do you want?
2,
You
sir.
divide by 2 or times 2 sa taas? Mas madali. Times
Times
2.
2.
Okay? So times 2, you will have 2y prime
2y
equal to negative 4 C1e negative 2x plus 6 C2e raised to 3x. The second equation remain as is. Diba? Y double prime is equal to 4C1 e raised to 2x plus 9 C2e raised to 3x. What can you see now? It is, they have the same coefficient but different sign. So you can cancel by means of algebra. Addition. Simple algebra. Okay? Hindi mo naintindihan kayo. Okay? So you will have now, anong meron ka na ngayon? Minus. So you will have 2y prime minus y double prime equal to, when you add that one, will be cancel kasi you add. Okay? So you will have now, minus 1. This one minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So you will have 6C2E3X minus, you will have negative 3C2E raised to 3X. That will be your equation 4.
Wow, amazing.
Okay? That will be your equation 4. And then what is your next? So you have now equation 4. Having only C2. How do we eliminate C2? Anong sinabi dyan? What is being said there? How to eliminate C2? You read. Using equation. What equation? We already used 2 and 3. And now we will eliminate what? You can use 1 and 2. You can use 1 and 3. There are 2 prospects for that. Okay? So using, ano sabi mo? 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You eliminate what? The same. You also eliminate C1. Okay? So you have 1 and 2. What is your 1 and 2? 1 and 2. You eliminate what? Okay, you will have 2 and then none. So you just multiply by 2, first one. First equation, you just multiply by
2.
ito, this one. You just multiply direct na, times 2. Because you are using 1 and 2, the coefficient of 2 to be eliminated is negative 2. You multiply this one by 2 directly. So that it will be a short solution. So times 2, you will have 2y for 1. You have 2 C1e negative 2x plus
2.
C2. Ano? 2 C2.
2C2.
2C2 e raised to 3x. Okay? And then the lower part, equation 2 as is. Okay? As is. So y prime as is negative 2C1 e raised to negative 2x plus
Okay.
3
6.
C2 e raised to
Same lang, same.
So you can now eliminate because they have the same
Coefficient.
coefficient for C1 and then different. Different what? Different sign. So you just add. So when you add, what will you have? When you add, what will you have?
Cancel, sir. Cancel.
Diretso na, you add. 2y
2y.
plus y
Plus
prime
y prime.
equal to, you add. What will you have? 0. And then
Cancel na.
5 C2
5
e raised to 3x.
3x.
Okay. This will be your equation
Equation
5.
five.
I-check natin yung 4.
Ano ang
If there is no
sign?
mistake. If we have mistake, we cannot solve C2. Okay. Check ang 4. Using 4, the same. And then you multiply as is. Okay. Negative, negative, and then positive. Double prime. Okay. Dito na. Okay. You have now negative, di ba? Y prime. And 2 is positive. So negative, negative, you only add. So this is the mistake.
Yes, sir.
Check natin. Kayo din yung nakita. Okay. We eliminate. Okay. This will be the correct equation of 4. It's better to check advance than to check later. It will have a very big problem. Okay? You have now, you will have y, di ba? Y prime 2y prime equal to negative 4 C1e negative 2x plus 6 C2 E3x, and then as is your 2 y double prime equal to 4 C1e negative 2x plus 9 C2 e raised to 3x. What is that word that I use? Add.
Add.
Correct ng add. So when you add, so 2y,
2y plus
prime
y.
plus
Plus y.
y double equal to 0.
Yes, sir. 15.
15.
Plus
15.
15.
C2
C2.
e raised to
3x.
This will be your 4. So there is no more mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So what will happen now? You consider 4 and 5 in order to eliminate 2. Okay? In algebra, if there are 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns, you eliminate x, all x. And then second, eliminate all y in order to attain the correct answer. Okay. First, 2 and 3, we eliminate C1. 1 and 2, we eliminate C1. In order to have only one unknown in which it is C2. So now, you have your 4 and 5. The unknown is only C2. So consider 4 and 5. For what? To eliminate
C2.
Eliminate
C2.
C2. Yung C2 iniinom nyo, iba yun. C2 constant natin. Second constant. Okay? So you have now 2y prime
Plus
plus
y.
double y
prime.
double prime 15 C2
C2.
e raised to 3x. Okay? And then you have 5 2y 2y
Plus y.
2y plus
Y prime.
y prime plus technique on how to solve equation.
Yes,
You
sir.
align the same term, the same item, you align. Meaning to say, align mo
May column, sir.
by column so that you will see what is the position of that given variable or any letter. Okay. You align y prime, right?
Yeah.
2y prime, 2y do not have companion. So, mag-isa lang siya. You will be away from the column of the equation. Plus, ano na?
Equal.
No more.
5 na yan.
Equal to?
5.
Oh, you try to see. Y double prime, walang nag-isa lang. So, at is lang, okay? Equal to the constant 5
5. C2.
C2
E
raised to
3x.
3x, okay? How to eliminate C2? Okay. You check again the coefficient. Oh, what is the coefficient? by
5, sir.
15. It's either you divide this by 3 or you multiply by 3. Dalawang technique yan. Not all teachers will say the technique. Okay? Divided by 3, it can be divided by 3, it can be multiplied by
Multiplied by
3. The better is
Multiply.
multiply by 3. Okay. So as is sa taas, as is 2y prime plus y double
Equals
15
15.
C2 e raised to 3x times 3, you will have times 3, 6y
6y.
plus
3y prime.
3y prime. Align by column. 3y prime equal to
15.
15.
15. C2
E
E
raised to
raised to
3x.
3x.
And now, what will you have?
Yun na lang.
You add or you subtract?
Subtract, sir. Subtract.
Subtract para cancelled na yan.
Kung subtract, you change all the signs of the second equation. So, negative, negative, negative.
Negative.
So, when you add, what will happen? Negative
Negative
6y
6y.
Plus. Ay.
plus minus negative y prime.
Prime.
Isa na lang, di ba? Column, makita mo, you can see that because it is placed in a correct column. What if you place that scattered?
Mahirap, sir.
Mahirap. So, scattered or it should be by column. Plus, as is lang.
Y prime.
Equal to?
0.
0.
Yes.
Yan ang answer.
Gets.
You can rearrange that one according to degree of the order. What is the degree of the order? You can write
Second
y
degree.
double prime minus y
Minus y
prime
prime
minus
6y.
6y
Minus
equal to 0. It can also be equal to y double prime minus y prime equal to 6y.
6y.
May tanong, Sir, parehas lang yan? Parehas lang. Oh, that's all. Perfect. Okay?